I've chosen to fuse existential therapy and Adlerian therapy. Each person's past, their culture, their current experiences, and previous experiences all play a part or shape who they are. This roadway represents the client's journey as well as the therapeutic journey. Sometimes the client or a person can run into roadblocks. These particular roadblocks or obstacles represent faulty thinking or discouragement. This card represents the world of my client. It's important as a therapist that I not try to fit my client and mold him or her into my preconceived world, but rather that I try to enter and understand the world of the client as completely as possible while remaining authentic and as real as possible. As I enter into my client's world, this allows me to help to explore their concerns with them, as well as how they experience meaning. Notice that I'm side by side with my client. I'm not in front of my client or in the back seat behind my client. The side by side proximity illustrates the collaborative relationship and enables me to encourage and support my client as they go through the growth process. Notice that my client's hand is on the wheel, but I'm remaining beside my client as his or her hand is on that wheel. The fact that my client's hand is on the wheel illustrates that my client is capable of making choices. The mirrors on the side and inside symbolize the insights that my client will glean through the therapeutic journey and through the therapeutic process. Just as a car travels down the road and does not turn in direction unless there is a change made by the driver, so it is that a change is not made in behavior usually unless there is a change in thinking. These insights gleaned by my client often will lead to a change in a person's thinking, thus in turn leading to a change in direction and a change in behavior. And it's important to remember through the therapeutic process and experience that what creates meaning for one person may not be the same thing that creates meaning for another. And each individual is as unique as their journey.